I know. eBay worked flawlessly this morning. Good morning. Tuesday, November 4th. Yeah, I did a 10,000 end and relist. I don't do end and sell similar. Too many problems with end and sell similar. Too many people lose listings. Too many people gain listings. So I just do end and relist. I do have a video, I don't know, from a year and a half ago, where I did a side-by-side comparison between end and relist and end and sell similar. In that video, I'll have to see if I can find it and link it. I talked about it, I don't know, within the last month, but I had more issues with end and relist, with losing listings, and the end result with views and sales. I mean, it was pretty similar. I think the edge did go to end and relist, but in my mind, the problems with end and sell similar had the edge. End and sell similar, but it had the issues with end and sell similar, I think outweighed the maybe lack of sales or lack of volume or whatever with end and relist. So I don't do end and sell similar. I don't. It's not worth it to me. But yeah, I did 10,000, ended 10,000 this morning, and that took me about 37 minutes. Zero glitches. I was getting it wasn't even 404 errors, it was 4 something errors. Again, I might have talked about it within the last month. Got none of those. And on the relist side, there were 2 times that eBay just kind of hung up and it was like processing the listings. It was 0 to 200, but nothing was moving. I just hit refresh and they started right up again. So, and then it took me 25. It was quicker to relist. So it took me right at an hour, maybe a couple minutes over an hour. And I hadn't done an end and relist on some of these items for over 6 months, May something. So it was definitely time to refresh some of those listings. Now over the next, 3-4 days to a week, those newly relisted cards, I'll blast out like a 35% off offer to the new watchers immediately, like 5, 6, 7 times a day. As soon as I see 4 or 5, half a dozen, however many, I'll send out those offers and try to kickstart some of those sales. So yeah, it's flawlessly. But then I was going to update 2,000 at a time to do the shipping and stuff I've been talking about that I needed to do, and it just sat and spun. So nothing, that didn't work. So I quit while I was ahead for the day. So anyway, let's get into, before I forget, some people have been mentioning, I don't know if it's the same person, that my volume is low. I mean, I have my microphone like 18 inches away from my face. Everybody else has been reporting that the volume is fine. So there's 2 places on your computer. If you're using a desktop like me or a laptop, people are reporting that the mobile version is fine for sound. But if you're using desktop, 2 places you got to check for the sound. So this is yesterday's video.
October.
On YouTube, you got to crank the volume up there.
Let me see. So
That's
decent
normal
weekend.
Voice.
Had
That's
2:31 on
yesterday.
Friday.
But you also got to
11
check.
Saturday.
Trying to get my sound editor down here. Sound editor or sound settings. Your master volume. Put that up to wherever. And I mean, it can get, again, this is just normal talking from yesterday.
Kind of half worth of sales. 96.
So try those 2 settings.
Sale this morning.
Hopefully that works for you.
Nice little set.
So, what sold yesterday? I only had 6 or 7 sales yesterday. And after I did all the packing, right at the very end, I was already done, and a nice big sale came in, so I packed that one. I only have 6 orders. So it was what was yesterday? 187.85 yesterday. Today we're off to 21. Hopefully that'll go up with the end and relist. So I only have a couple orders going out. I already pulled my airplane cards. I even took a Vyvanse. Vyvanse is for not helping right now, for ADHD focus. I don't take it all the time. I functioned for 55, 56 years without it. But the days I really need to focus, I take it. So it hadn't even kicked in yet because I was expecting problems with the end and relist this morning, and it, I always take it for that when I have to focus and get stuff done. But it hadn't really even started kicking in, and I was already done with end and relist. So a win-win. Now I gotta make sure I tap this what's the word? This higher level of concentration. Use my power for good somehow. I got to get ready I haven't put anything up for the Paperpalooza this week on Whatnot. I got to get that done today. I also, beginning of the month, I needed to get all of my monthly financials to the bookkeeper. Started working on that. I'm really horrible at bookkeeping stuff, and I need to download all my bank statements, credit card, eBay, all the statements for the month, and get that to the bookkeeper today. And then I don't know if I'll try to tackle fixing the shipping today. That's mostly, I think, one of the reasons it went, and why I usually don't have a huge problem with end and relist, is I do it bright and early. If I wake up early, sometimes 5 in the morning East Coast time, or 6. Today I was out of bed at 7. I don't think there's too many West Coast people flooding eBay at 4 in the morning. So that's usually when I try to do end and relist, or when I have to change stuff. I try to do it in the morning when hopefully not as much traffic on eBay. But so I got to do the bookkeeping stuff. I did get not almost. I got 300 listings done yesterday out of the 490 cards that I bought at Allentown. I only have 40 some left to list. What is that? AV14. So I hopefully will finish those last 40 some up. It shouldn't take me more than an hour. But I was doing about 50 listings in a half an hour, so 100 an hour yesterday afternoon. And I could have completed them, that 40 last night, but I watched the stupid Penguins blow a 3-0 lead in 10 minutes and get their asses handed to them last night. Not the right one. So, anyhow, that's about it. So yeah, bookkeeping, listing, the last couple, and then I have 250 cards that I bought at the Habit of Grace postcard show in August that I haven't listed yet. Haven't even scanned them. So I will hopefully get that done today. Still haven't closed the pool. That's hopefully do that this weekend. Hopefully. So I think that's it. I'll do a quick refresh here, see if anything came in. Nothing else came in. So that is it. Holy crap, an 11-minute video. Hope you guys have a good day. And see you tomorrow.